Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors, and is typically where long-term holders tend to accumulate. Therefore, a value below -10% is often referred to as an opportunity zone. Therefore, according to the 365-day MVRV indicator, it is now the best time to scoop some Bhutan Gultrams tokens at a discount. Lending credence to the bullish thesis in the face of adversity for Banker token is the supply on exchanges index. The number of Bhutan Gultrams held on exchanges serves as potential sell-side pressure, especially during a panic crash. Therefore, the higher this number is, the more probable a crash might extend due to panic selling. Since 24 January, the number of Bhutan Gultrams held on centralized entities has dropped from 33.5 million to 12.4 million, revealing that 21.1 million Bhutan Gultrams tokens have left the exchanges. This has alleviated the potential sell pressure, hinting that these investors are positive on the price performance of Banker in the near future. States dollar is trading at $2.24, down 3.69% for the day. As per the CoinMarketCap, the 24-hour trading value of Decentraland holds at $264,560,490. So the next news today about amid the stock market turmoil, this DeFi company trades at cash value. Liquid Meta Capital Holdings Limited, NeoLiq, a leading decentralized finance, DeFi, infrastructure and technology company, is not being represented as such on the public exchanges. Trading at less than half of its go-public price and near cash value of its balance sheet, the company, which listed on December 22, 2021, has been caught in the risk asset meat grinder in Q1 2022. But does an ill-timed IPO, an unavoidable matter of timing, and morbid market conditions provide an opportunity for investors at current prices? Quite possibly, yes. A quick background on Liquid Meta Holdings. The company is a technology developer in the institutional DeFi space, creating a proprietary system named MetaBridge. While the development of MetaBridge is in its nascent build-out phase, Liquid Meta has active liquidity mining operations which earns tokens, yields, for providing liquidity to various DeFi liquidity pool protocols. This operation is generating revenue, and due to relatively low operational expense, OPEX, costs, could generate substantial free cash flow in year one. Note, Liquid Meta has not provided financial or operational guidance. Despite a promising foundation which includes a cashed-up balance sheet and emerging tech stack, Liquid Meta 30-day averaged to 6.63. This sudden spike could be a precursor to a massive surge in market value of Banker. Banker's price has dropped by roughly 80% in the last year from an all-time high of $9.369. While bearish as it may sound, this price action is the perfect time to accumulate according to two on-chain indicators. What more is there to say? The 365-day market value to realized value, MVRV, model has been in the negative region for 9 months, and is currently hovering around 57.51%. Since this indicator is used to assess the average profit loss of investors who purchase Bhutan Gultrams tokens over the past year, a negative value is a sign that the holders are underwater. A negative value below -10% indicates that short-term holders in the economy, with over $1 million in sales of Avatar wearables last year. The immersive fashion show will take place in Decentraland's new luxury fashion district, and will feature a futuristic-looking catwalk. It will also host pop-up metaverse shops and afterparties. The area's shopping district will surround the virtual runway, and is inspired by architecture from Paris's famous Avenue Montaigne, known for its chic clothing stores and decor. The event is slated to run between March 24 to March 27, according to the press release. Decentraland is exchanging hands at $2.71 at time of writing, a 16% increase from its 7-day low of $2.27. And second news today, Banker to the moon, is there more to its 3000 bringing this all to reality? Disney itself has been making moves into the non-fungible token, NFT, space, launching digital golden statues of iconic Disney characters with digital collectibles brand Vive. Heineken pokes fun at the metaverse mania with the world's first virtual beer in an apparent app at all the action going on in the metaverse. Dutch brewing giant Heineken has debuted what it claimed to be the world's first virtual beer on Decentraland. The move is nothing more than a joke. Heineken announced the launch in a press release on Thursday. Dubbed Heineken Silver, the beer will only be available at the company's metaverse brewery in Decentraland. Taking its joke further, Heineken invited several real journalists to witness the launch of its fake beer, later adding that guests received a treat of pixelated lobster and caviar at the launch event. According to the brewing giant, the whole idea behind the virtual beer is to poke fun at us, and many other brands, that have jumped on the metaverse bandwagon. Describing the ingredients in Heineken Silver, the company said it is made out of the freshest pixels. No mold, no hops, no yeast, no water, and also, no beer. While having a virtual beer may come in handy in a gaming environment, Heineken believes that certain things are best enjoyed in real life, and brews are definitely one of them. Although Heineken has slammed its product with the title of the world's first metaverse beer, this is not the first time a beer manufacturer has entered the space. Miller Lite holds the honor of creating the first beer on the metaverse, having opened its Meta Lite bar last month. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price. Level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.